So this is the first soap that one I showed you. I already marked it here with 1. I don't know if the one is clear. Yes, I already marked this one. This one you already saw it. I made it the other day. Now, here's the one that I made yesterday. And it's reading 6. It's 6.99. That's 7. Yeah, it's reading 6.99. So it's exactly on 7, the pH. There's it. 6.99. That's the pH. So it's reading exactly 7. This is 7 when you convert. Yes, you see, 7, exactly on the dot. So this one is soap number 2, the one I made yesterday. I don't know if you see a 2 here. There's a 2 here. So this is the soap that I made yesterday. The color is still good. It's still the same color. Still the same color. There's it, 7. It reads 7 exactly on the dot. Nothing has changed. I've mastered making the soap. So I want to make more, so I can be able to pay rent.